Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Unlock your iPhone and go straight to Settings, then Personal Hotspot, or Settings, Cellular Personal Hotspot. You do this so you control tethering at the system level. Once there, you'll see Allow Others to Join. Tap that toggle to OFF to stop new connections instantly. Make sure you use Face ID or passcode if prompted, because the phone requires confirmation. This step disables advertising of the hotspot and prevents other devices from discovering your connection. Once the hotspot toggle is off, disconnect any currently connected devices. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tethering on those devices, unplug USB tethering, and confirm no active clients remain. Next, check Family Sharing Settings, Your Name, Family Sharing, and revoke hotspot access if family members can join automatically. Doing both prevents automatic reconnects and stops devices that cached credentials from using your phone. This ensures the hotspot is effectively removed rather than just hidden from the control center. Finish by restarting your iPhone so the system clears any remaining broadcasts and cached connections. If the personal hotspot option still appears or devices keep reconnecting, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This removes saved networks and hotspot profiles, which forces a clean state. Remember, resetting network settings will remove Wi-Fi passwords, so have them handy. If problems persist, contact your carrier, because some tethering privileges are managed on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.